Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be back outside on the world's smallest patio. We're going to be using our Weber kettle, our slow and sear, Gels Devil charcoal, and we are going to be making some New York strip steaks and some bone-in chicken thighs, both of which you've seen us do on the channel before. But that is not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is I want to talk to you guys about a new product that I'm really liking lately, and it's the holiday time. This might make a really rockin' Christmas or Hanukkah gift. I want to talk to you guys today about how I'm using my grill gun by a company called Grill Blazer. Check this thing out. It is a flamethrower, okay? It's rad. You hook this thing to a propane tank, one of those green bottle ones, or like I'm going to use today, I'm going to use a tube and it's going to go to my 5-gallon propane tank. Not only am I going to light my Jealous Devil charcoal with it, and normally you'd use like a little Weber lighter cube or a fire cup or something like that. We'll slowly bring the charcoal up to temperature. 60 seconds, the charcoal is ready to party. 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna reverse sear the chicken and the steak. When they come up to temperature, I'm gonna blast. And I'm gonna do that char on them, again, like 60 seconds. It's gonna make that crispy chicken skin. It's gonna make that perfect sear crust on the steaks. It's awesome. Really inexpensive little toy. Link down below. This is the holiday present for you. And if you don't have anybody to buy a holiday present for, buy it for yourself. Because it's rad. It's really, really cool. All right, let's get going. I'll take you outside on the patio. I'll show you the setup. I'll show you everything that we're doing today. Chicken, steak, it's gonna be awesome. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm by myself. And here we go. So as you guys see, we have 2 New Yorks right here and 5 bone-in chicken thighs. And if you're wondering what I'm using for my seasoning today on the steaks, I'm gonna be using a combination. This is TD's Brew and Barbecue, the Carne Sutra. I'm gonna be doing 50% this, and then I'm gonna try this new one, the TD's Spicy Carne Sutra. Of course, on our chicken, we're gonna be using one of our favorite chicken seasonings, the Chupacabra Cluckalicious, which I'm almost out of, but this stuff is really, really good. From Texas, we love it. So I'm gonna season all this up and then we'll go outside and we'll get that started. Okay, so like I said earlier, we're outside here on the world's smallest patio. We're gonna be using Jealous Devil Max Briquette charcoal. We love that charcoal. Obviously, you've seen it in our videos in the past. We're gonna be using our Weber kettle. We're gonna be using our slow and sear, our drip and griddle, our easy spin grate, all from S&S Grills. And like I said earlier again, we're gonna light the charcoal using the grill gun. We're gonna get the charcoal a little bit warm. We're gonna get it kind of on an indirect cooking side, slow and sear on one side. The chicken and the steak are gonna be on the other side. And when they come up to temperature, I'm gonna use that flamethrower and I'm just gonna char that up. It's gonna make that perfect crispy chicken skin and the steak is gonna be fantastic. And Wild Kingdom is up there. And we're gonna be eating good tonight. So I just wanted to kind of demonstrate the grill gun a little bit, demonstrate another awesome, useful toy in your barbecue arsenal that I think you guys will really like. So let's get it lit up. So you see we got it hooked to the propane tank, connected to the gun, and then all you do is pull the trigger and you can adjust the flow right on the top here. You guys saw how awesome that was. In like 60 seconds, the charcoal's already lit, our pit is coming up to temperature, and it's that quick. So especially on like a weeknight, if you want to make dinner on the barbecue, super, super easy. And don't get confused. It's not like it's going to be super hot. Because I only lit one side of the coals, I still have 2-zone cooking. I still have my pit running at about 275 degrees. It's not ripping hot. Even though I could set it up like that, I didn't for this cook, because we're gonna do that reverse sear, and then I'm gonna finalize all my chicken and steak with the gun, getting that char on it. So I'm very, very impressed. I think it's super, super cool, and it's super, super fun. So come on back, let's get the meat on the grill, and we'll go from there. All right, we got our meat on. We're going to cover it up, and we're gonna let it roll for about 30 minutes indirect, and then we'll come back and we'll start checking temperatures. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. Let's lift the lid and let's start checking some temperatures. 120. All right, so these are ready to sear. 124. Now let's check some chickens. 142. 142. 145. 150. 154. All right, so the steaks are ready to sear. We're going to give the chicken a couple more minutes, and then we're going to get that grill gun rolling again, and we're going to make that beautiful crust. Whoa. I will tell you what, that thing is fun to play with. It lights a charcoal fast. It sears the food fast. It's super fun. You guys need to think about picking up one. It's pretty cool. Now, obviously I checked the temperatures and everything like that. You've seen steak, you've seen chicken, all that stuff. The only thing I want to do, one, I want to thank our top tier channel members. Thank you guys so much. Everybody that has taken the time, effort, and supported us by hitting that little join button next to the subscribe button. Thank you. Two, I have not tried the TD's spicy carne sutra yet. I know the original is fantastic. I've used that on a bunch of different stuff. I haven't tried the spicy one. I just bought it. It just got here. So I just want to take a quick little bite of steak and let you guys know what I think about that. And then we'll be done. Obviously, if you guys do a reverse sear and check the temperatures, you guys won't mess it up. It'll be great. It's juicing all over the end grain. So, crazy. All right, cheers. New Yorks are always a little tougher than ribeyes. That's my only issue with them, but they're good. That tastes exactly like the carne sutra with some heat behind it. It's very good. Very good. It's spicier than I thought it was going to be, but it's not ridiculous. It's like the perfect amount of heat. And if you guys haven't tried the carne sutra yet, that's like a classic, like, goes good. It is really good. That little spicy little one, man, like dip, that steak, if you're like in the mood for something different, like a spicy beef, a spicy chicken, that's really good. I back that investment. Let me grab it. Guys, pick yourself up a bottle of this. Not too shabby. Pretty freaking good. All right. That's it. We're done. Thank you guys very much. Appreciate you watching all of our videos. Appreciate the love and support. We will see you on the next video. Thank you. All right. See ya. Oh, it's so good. A little bit of heat, a lot of bit of juice, that crispy skin. I mean, it's just so good. Yeah.